All right, so here in your workbook, this is one of the ways that it is not just a workbook, but a note outline. We have a chart for primal and archaic traits. So these are traits of primal religions and archaic religions. The chart's actually taken from 20 plus years ago, lectures of Del DeShant at the University of South Florida. So some of the traits of primal religions: hunter-gatherer, shaman, medicine, shamans, egalitarian. So egalitarian means that everyone is essentially equal. Their jobs might be different, but they're all seen as pertinent to, important to the success of the whole. Generally, we see animism and totemism, but it's not exclusively that. There can still be ideas of gods, goddesses, ultimate powers of varying degrees. When we move to archaic, and remember, what's changed from primal to archaic is the agricultural revolution. So with that, now we see urban dwellers, because we're now able to have sedentary lives. We start seeing class stratification, the start of individualism, as we see that people have very specific specialties. When we're traveling, when we're nomadic, the majority of the group has to know a lot of different tools, a lot of different trades in order for success. As we move to being in one place, we can get really specialized in particular jobs, particular roles. We do start seeing literacy among elite or as needed by the class of people. Again, as I mentioned, animism, totemism, ancestralism. As we move towards archaic, we see a lot of polytheistic ideas with hierarchies that might be changing over time. We do see examples also of gods and goddesses, and often it is an order where there might be an ultimate power, but then there are angels or demons or other types of spirits. Practices and actions. Of course, we're moving from hunting and gathering to planting and harvesting. Solar and lunar events some, and then we start seeing seasonal transitions taking on more important roles. The reason for the seasonal transitions, and solar and lunar events are still important in archaic, but these seasonal transitions play a big role because now we're planting and we're harvesting. All right. That's pretty much it. Look through this chart. If you have any questions, please let me know.